The word prospectus means invitation to the public by company for inviting them to come and invest in their company by purchasing their shares. Now today we are discussing what is self-prospectus. The general rule is that whenever company come up with the issue of shares, every time in the market, company need to issue prospectus beforehand, before issuing security. So it's a lengthy process, and every time company come up with issue, the company need to issue prospectus. So to remove that lengthy process, there's come a provision of self prospectus. That prospectus is called self prospectus. The self prospectus is issued for multiple security, not a single security. We can issue for a certain period of time, that during this time of period we are going to issue multiple security, equity, preference, whatever, but we don't need to issue every time. This provisions provide very smooth process for company because company doesn't need to issue prospectus every time. For example, if we are going to issue self prospectus for a period of 6 months, so for the next 6 months, we don't need to issue further prospectus. The company can issue public security whenever they want during the next 6 months. After 6 months, they have to issue further new prospectus. It will save time definitely, because now each time whenever we issue new shares in the market, we don't need to issue prospectus. So it will definitely save time and sources of the company.